So this is me. I am Abista, who is a patient from Prana Hearing. I am 18 years old and I had a spine problem, which is cervical spine bulge, and along with pituitary microadenoma. So I discovered it almost around 2 years ago, which was in basically during my inter and all. So it was very tough actually. I used to have a constant back pain throughout the day and headache also, that too every day almost, which is very hard for me to sit in the class during the college days. So it was very, very hard. Almost my problem started during lockdown days and it got discovered during my inter. So it was very hard, and I was like, we ran out of medications and all. The pain was not reducing at all. I tried homeopathy, allopathy, nothing seems to be worked out for me. So it was like there was a point of time where I couldn't even sit for 5 minutes straight. I used to have that much pain where my spine couldn't support me to sit. I used to go through that much pain, and one day my mother's friend suggested me to take me to prana healing. I think that was the best suggestion ever had given to me or to my mother. So when I first went, the one the sir told me that it's going to take a lot of time. You need to be patient. It's not a small problem and all. I thought that I've tried so much, like I have tried allopathy and homeopathy. I have tried so many things, so I thought, why not to try this too? I think I went for 3 weeks straight, and I found the differences in my body. I can sit, and I'm mentally very much different from the starting also. Like, I used to be very dull at the starting moment, where I used to not leave my room and all. But afterwards, like when I've talked to the mentors and all, they told me that you're being depressed and all. I think you should come out of that thing. And when I tried myself, it was very much better. I think mentally I was very much better after taking this treatment, which helped me to cope up with my physical stress also. And they have put me through this time weaver machine and all, which really helped me a lot. I think I've been going there for about 6 months, and right now I'm about 70% all right. Like, I can sit for 5 to 6 hours straight, from where I couldn't even sit from 5 minutes, and now I can sit for 5 to 6 hours straight, which is literally a miracle. Because I used to think that, will there be a day where I can survive without any of these pains? I think it's such a a happy thing for me. So and all, I they have motivated me a lot, literally, I should say, because especially I was very down mentally, because I don't know, I have never thought there will be a way. I have been going through a lot because my studies are being resumed. I don't know what to do, and there is no change in my body even after taking all those allopathic medications and homeopathy. I didn't know what to do. At some point of time, I thought I was being stuck somewhere, and I think they're really, I don't know if thank you will be enough for them, because it will literally change my whole life also, literally, I should say, because suffering with these kind of problems at a young age, it's not a really um not you know it's like very stressful, because it's not a I used to feel like it's not my age related problem, but it used to be very stressful for me, because I can't handle studies and this health issues at a time. But I really think that I need to thank them a lot and lot. They have been very patient and helpful to me. They literally motivated me. I didn't even think that at some point of time, so I'm a BC student, I would write my NEET exam, but because of them I did write it. I need to say a lot of thanks to them. Thank you so much for helping me, you know, cope up through everything in my life. I think that was one of the major thing. Thank you so much.